Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get promo codes for DoorDash application. So firstly what you have to do is just simply add all the items that you want to order from DoorDash. Then just simply go to your browser, any browser to be specific. Now when you're in your browser, just simply search for ice coupons, which you can see over here. Just simply search this, then click on search. Then just simply open the first link, which is icecoupon.com.home. Just simply open that. Now over here, just simply click on the search bar at the top and search DoorDash. Just simply write door and it should appear. Just simply click on that, then scroll down, and over there you will find all the discount coupons. So what you have to do is just simply click on the show coupon code for the $100 off. Just simply click on that. So as of right now, the coupons are not available. So in order to get the coupons, you have to complete a few steps. So for doing that, just simply click on unlock code. Now you will be given a bunch of applications. Now in those applications, what you have to do is just simply download any 2 of them or even 3 if possible. And after downloading the application, just simply use the application for 30 to 40 seconds. And after you're done with that, the coupon should appear. So firstly, I'll just simply download all the 3 applications one by one. So let's go with the first one. Simply click on free, then click on tap to install. Then it will redirect you to your Play Store or App Store. Then just simply click on get. Then after the installation is complete, open the application. Then just simply wait for 30 seconds in this application. You can do anything, and after you're done spending 30 seconds on this application, just simply go back to the Chrome. And you can see the application is now gone. Go for the next application. Again, click on get. After the installation is complete, again open the application. Again use for 30 seconds. And after the 30-second mark, so like this, just simply complete the third application as well. And after completing all the applications, just simply go back to your home. And again just simply go to your search bar or open a new tab and again search for IC coupons. Then just simply go to icecoupons.home. Again search for DoorDash. Open the link which says DoorDash. Scroll down and click on show coupons code. And this time it will be shown. And when the coupon code is shown to you, just simply copy that and then you can use it. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.